So this is why a steam humidifier works in a flow-through, does not in a large house. Because we are boiling this water into a steam tube. That goes to a steam distribution bar through the plenum, a whole bunch of holes in it. This particular system's operating at 0.2 statics, that's much lower than these are designed for. So we put the steam bar in and we're distributing that steam directly into the air. So it's a rapid response for humidity control. And so all of you people with large houses and lots of wood floors and wood furniture, let's say you can't get humidity in your house, that is the solution right there. Generalaire steam humidifier.